Hey, what's up guys, this is the reviewer A5 and I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. Also take your time to check out my free giveaways. All you have to do is put your email and you're good to go. Okay, this is a pedicure, professional pedicure 17-in-1 kit. Comes in a nice little package like this. Everything and anything you need for your fingernails or your toes, your feet, it's all in here. Even if you have a ingrown toenail, you have the tool in here. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what comes inside. Like I said, if you decide to buy it, in my description there will be a link exactly where to get it. So let's get it open. Okay, we start off with a nice little brush. Very nice. Okay, so you have stainless steel equipment. Everything is in plastic. Look at this. Very nice. Very sharp. Also, it comes with the tip, so you don't mistakenly stab yourself. Okay. You have for your foot to get the dead skins on the back of your feet. You have another one with like some kind of grit, so you can file it away. Also the back side too, you can use it too. Very nice. You have your nail clippers. You have different types, big to small, very sharp edge, non-slip handles, stainless steel, and very nice. I love this kit. My wife loves it too. And this one comes in a nice little bag. Very nice. You have this in a nice little package. You have to cut your dead skin. You have the blade. It's right there. Look like the dentist. You have this. Really nice. Also, you can connect this to this and you can file your dead skin away. And you have your ingrown nail, so you can adjust it. Okay. Want to leave everything out so you can picture what I have. Okay. You have beautiful filer. Beautiful. Very hard, doable. So it's not gonna mess up, it's not gonna bend. Very nice. When you're doing your pedicure, you have things to go in between your toes so you can separate it and they won't touch each other. A little foam. You have two double-sided filers. finish it off, you have this special tool to take out this part, and this one to push it down. Very nice, very nice. It's the material, stainless steel. You cannot go wrong. So this is exactly everything you get. Everything comes in little bags. I just wanted to show you what it looks like and what it comes with. I personally think the quality of this tool, pedicure tool, it's very good. You know, there's some nail clippers with no issue, cuts right away. Not a lot of force, cuts very good. The nail filer, very nice. Everything is very good quality. I am very happy with it. My wife is too. Well, if you have any question whatsoever about all these little products, just let me know, comment below. Like I said, if you decide to buy this product, in my description there will be a link of where to buy. Well, thanks, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Awesome products. Take care.